Victor Isibor. Victor Isibor, this is arrant nonsense. Your girlfriend has been messaging me and calling me. She's been telling me that for the past 1 month, you have refused to take her calls, you have refused to chat her up, you have refused to meet her up. You are just avoiding her. What has the poor girl done to you? I had to tell her that you've been doing the same thing to me. I am your best friend. You have blocked me off on all social media. When I come to your office, you ask your secretary to tell me that you're not around, even when your car is conspicuously parked in the compound. If not that I barged in on you at this your house right now, you would have looked for a way to avoid me. Why are you avoiding I, your best friend, and your girlfriend? What have we done to you?
Well, now that you both know, let me simply open up to both of you, okay? You go and tell her. Tell her that I'm tired of being best friends with you because you don't give me any money. Tell her that I am tired of being a boyfriend to a woman who doesn't pay me, okay? I am monetizing my friendship and association now. I am tired of being friends for free. I'm tired of dating for free. That's it.
Wow, I'm so disappointed. This is arrant nonsense. Show me anywhere in the world where somebody expects to be paid to be friends with somebody. You're my best friend, you expect me to be paying you? Show me anywhere in the world where a man expects to get paid for dating a girl. Is everything colored in money?
Thank God you said, show me anywhere in the world where people get paid for being friends. Yes, I'll take you right now into my computer room and I'll show you 4 websites that pays you for chatting, receiving calls, just being there for somebody. Yes, 4 websites that would pay you for being somebody's boyfriend or girlfriend or chatmate or callmate or confidant. Yes, follow me. Let's go. Let me show you. Look at my computer right now. See, the first website is rentacyberfriend.com. Okay, see, find friends online, make real connections. I'm telling you, the next thing you want to do now is click the button where I'm putting that arrow. Get started for free. Okay, so when you click on get started for free, when it opens up like this, you will see 2 options. Option number 1, connect with cyber friends. Option number 2, become a cyber friend. Since you, my friend, you are here to make money, then what you do is you become a cyber friend. Okay, you click on become a cyber friend. You see what this website is all about, is about, you getting on board and being available to talk to somebody. There are lots of people out there who are lonely. They are looking for somebody to talk to. There are people who are ready to pay you just to talk to them. And during the sign-up process, you are going to indicate what your areas of interest are. Do you like network marketing, affiliate marketing, content creation, making money online, boxing, football? You will write it there when you are filling the form so that they will match you with people who share common interest as you, who are ready to call you up and discuss your areas of interest with you. You have the opportunity to set your own price, how much a call is. Okay, you can say what you want to be earning is $5 per call, 25 cents per call. Okay, look at the process. They said earn from anywhere in the world. Anywhere in the world, all countries are welcome. They say you just get started, you sign up, update your profile and wait for the approval. Put your interests, add your interests using different hashtags and pay rates. Okay, callers find you by interest. So you earn money, be online to accept call requests and start making money. Grow, share on social media to attract more clients and followers. The more followers you have, the likelier you get and the more often you get more calls. Okay, so they say this is an opportunity that can be done from any part of the world. There are no qualifications. So payment is per minute with a 20% platform fee. Okay, so Rent a Cyber Friend will deduct 20% of any amount of money you make. If you say for your video calls you charge $2 per call, you will know that 40 cents, okay, belongs to this platform, because they have to make their own money too. Withdrawals to your bank account. Okay, so that is it for this one. That is number one. Now let me show you number two website that can pay you for talking to people and interacting with people. So my guy, the next website is textingfactory.com. textingfactory.com. Look at their website. They said, become a chat operator today. Your opportunity to work as a chat operator and earn an average of $300 weekly is only minutes away. The application only takes a few minutes, and we are always in need of chat operators on our team. You can see, just tap on this button, apply now, and follow through with all the questions that they have. All right, now they say as a chat operator you will be answering casual messages on a fantasy-based network. You have to be able to talk to customers about all kinds of topics. You will be assigned different roles depending on what your customer wants. Some clients, you see, they said some clients just want to talk to someone about everyday life, small talk about things like work, culture, weather, relationship. Your identity will not be known by customers because you will be assumed to be the person the customer is texting to. You see, people will pay you to talk to you. So all those talk that you go and waste in different beer parlor, in different hairdressing salons without getting paid, your own talk is to scatter marriages, break relationships, and gossip. If you are a professional gossip, you should be gossiping here, because depending on how much time and effort you put in, an average operator earns around $300 to $400 per week. This can also be a lot more if you are willing to go the extra mile, because they give bonuses and extra extension on weekends and red days. Okay, so this is where you should be if you're a professional gossip. This is number three, and number three is JustAnswer.com. You see this JustAnswer.com, JustAnswer.com is more professional. It's not just for miscreants, any Tom, Dick, and Harry. You should have some professional knowledge about what you want to talk about. This is not for gossip or casual chit chat. You see, they say lawyers, doctors, vets, mechanics, electronics, computer techs. So when you apply, they are going to ask you to upload some documents to prove that you have some authority in these fields, because a lot of people that have challenges across law, medicine, automobiles, they are going to come here. Okay, so tell us your situation, ask any question in any category anytime you want. Let us match you with the best expert. Okay, you chat with experts, and you see different experts that they have here, and those experts, they don't come for free. Okay, there is a particular price that you are able to set. Okay, you see vets, okay, $55 per month, $55 per month for doctors as well, lawyers, okay, different amount of money that you will have to pay these people before they will answer you. So if you are applying as a professional, this is potentially what you can be charging an individual on a monthly basis for asking you questions. Okay, so this is more like for professionals. So if you're interested, you come on board JustAnswer.com and you get started. So the number 4 website is FriendPC.com. Okay, this one, they say book a virtual friend. People are ready to pay you to be their friend. Now, what is the purpose of this friendship? Look at it here. They wrote it for emotional support. You play video games with them, you boost your self-esteem, you start a conversation almost about anything you desire, and they will pay you. Okay, you can be somebody's life coach, virtual friend, virtual gamer. You can even be somebody's virtual girlfriend. Instead of dating miscreants who all they do is break your heart every day. You are even the one spending money for them. This one, you can date somebody and the person will even be paying you for your time. You don't even get to meet the person physically. It's not all those people that you are dating, they'll be saying, come over, come over, come over. Okay? Look at real life people. Look at what they are charging. This one is charging $10. This one is charging between $20 to $100. Look at this one. This one is even a virtual girlfriend. Virtual girlfriend charging between $20 to $100. As a virtual girlfriend. Virtual girlfriend, just online dating. Virtual girlfriend.
So with these 4 websites that I just showed you, I hope I've been able to convince you that being friends with you and being a boyfriend to Anita is a total waste of my time. Victor Isibor, you are very correct. You have the right to break up your relationship with Anita. You have the right to also cut me off. As I'm living here now, I am also going home to go and break up with my girlfriend of 5 years. Yes, it's a waste of time. I will register on these 4 websites and I will start monetizing my relationship and association with people. No more free friendship. No more free relationship. Thank you very much, Victor Isibor.